Grasslands have a tremendous amount of value. It's important that we manage them so deliberately. It goes beyond just the intrinsic value of the habitat, it's about a working landscape.
To me, the Grasslands is one of the most beautiful places. It's absolutely spectacular. It's got the most austere beauty.
Probably the favorite thing about living here is the wide open spaces.
It's quiet. We don't have any neighbors. We're pretty attached. We wouldn't want to live anywhere else, I don't believe.
Sagebrush steppe is the habitat type that you see right here. This is what sagebrush steppe is. We're in it.
And of course, sage grouse is a big part of it, a very important part of the Curlew. As the sage grouse is threatened from a variety of reasons, it's a special place.
There's a variety of big game animals that also utilize the curlew.
It's also important for working ranching.
Our interest out here is to merge or bridge relationships between public land and private land. We're stronger together.
The border's kind of taken away with this project. I think the impact from that is big.
If we get everybody involved, the chances for success skyrocket.
It's a tightrope that we walk, that we want people to be able to use the land, but we have to use the best available science to protect it.
If you treat it well, it will treat you well.
We don't want to ruin our land. We want to take as good care of it as we can.
It's a remarkable landscape with a lot of opportunities here to really do some good things. Not only, from a wildlife perspective, but also from a landowner perspective.